Hi Tracy, I just wanted to explain a bit why I think the fortune cookie is a bad idea. Number one, they're hard to make. I don't know if you've ever made one before, but I was watching the British baking show that's on Netflix. It's called something like that. And one of their challenges was to make a fortune cookie, and all of them except a couple of them screwed it up. It's not easy. Number one. Number two, I had a friend, she teaches at a private school in Tampa, and she said parents bring her food all the time, and she puts it right in the trash, which surprised me because I probably wouldn't think twice about it and I would just eat it. But a lot of people are super grossed out by homemade food. Like you have no idea what's going on in somebody's house. So that's a risky proposition for you. Um, but if you feel real strongly about that and you can bake and this is something you could accomplish, it's a fun idea. You might also be able to order fortune cookies that are packaged with your own message. Let's see. Fortune cookie. Yeah, you can get these made. 50 of them for under $10. That's a cute idea. And what's nice about that is, oh, look at how adorable is this. It comes prepackaged and it comes in a box that has your logo on it. So look at this. You can get 250 of them. I guess that's per unit. I don't know. You could do some research and definitely find a good price for that. Anyway, I just think it should be prepackaged. And the rest of them are, fabulous ideas. Just when you're doing presentation, be sure not to cut off the edges, right? That's all I had to say. Let me know if you have any questions.